If you've been wondering whether you can make your X, formerly Twitter, profile picture a GIF, the short answer is no, not through the normal profile settings. In this video, I'll show you exactly what happens when you try, what file types X currently accepts, and the correct way to update your profile photo so you don't waste time uploading the wrong format. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media how-to videos. Alright, let's get into it. First, log in to your X account in your browser or the app. Once you're signed in, go to your profile. From there, look for the option that says Set up your profile. This is where X lets you update your account information, including your profile picture. Now click on your current profile picture. A file picker will open, and this is where many people run into confusion. If your goal is to upload a GIF, X does not currently offer a standard built-in option for most users to set an animated GIF as their profile photo. Instead, X typically accepts a JPG or PNG image. So when the upload window appears, choose an image in JPG or PNG format. If your file is already a GIF, it usually will not work the way you expect. In many cases, it may be converted into a static image, or the platform may simply reject the upload altogether. That means, if you want your profile to look polished and approved correctly, the safest move is to use a high-quality still image. After selecting your JPG or PNG file, go ahead and upload it. Then skip through any extra prompts that appear until you reach the confirmation step. Once everything looks good, confirm the changes and save your profile. If you are hoping for an animated profile picture effect, the key thing to remember is that X does not currently support GIF profile pictures in the normal profile settings for most accounts. So, if you see someone with a moving profile image, it is not part of the standard upload process for everyone. The best workaround is to prepare a clean, clear, static image that represents your brand, your face, or your channel in the best way possible. Use a square image, make sure the subject is centered, and keep the design simple so it still looks good when X crops it into a circle. So to recap, you cannot make your X profile picture a GIF using the regular profile upload process. You can log in, go to Profile, Set up your profile, click your profile picture, select an image, upload a JPG or PNG, skip the extra steps, and confirm the update. That's the correct method right now. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.